Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Medik8 C-Tetra Intense. Kickstart your morning skincare regime with C-Tetra Intense, a nourishing and restorative vitamin C serum that enhances skin's radiance and fights visible signs of aging. Using a super stable liquid soluble form of vitamin C alongside skin nourishing vitamin E, this formula sinks deep into the skin to provide a powerful antioxidant protection against free radicals with minimum irritation. Now, harnessing the power of Medik8's best-selling vitamin C serum, C-Tetra Intense is boosted with additional brightening and nourishing ingredients. Optimized red ginseng enhances the brightening and smoothing powers of vitamin C, while nourishing maracuja oil alongside squalene and vitamin F leave the skin feeling deeply hydrated and supple. C-Tetra Intense is perfect for those who are new to vitamin C or are looking to upgrade their brightening results. The complexion is left soft, protected from environmental damage and visibly brighter looking skin. To use the C-Tetra Intense, after cleansing in the morning, massage about 4 drops across your face, your neck and your décolletage. Leave to absorb before applying your moisturiser. Now, it works great with the Advanced Day Total Protect in the morning. So if you would like to purchase the Medik8 C-Tetra Intense, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below.